Students, now we'll do the that portion. Find the continued product. Yeah. Now interesting sums I am doing. Easy one you can do. Continued means what? I will tell you. Sum number 25. A square plus a plus 1. A square minus a plus 1 into a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1. Continued product means first these two terms or these two expressions will be multiplied. That product will come, with that we will multiply this term. Clear? Then the result will come, that will be the final result. So continued means first these two you are multiplying, then again multiplication is left, you are continuing. So first here you see interesting, simply multiplication you can do, but I am teaching you how you can do with the help of formula. See, this is a square plus a, I am making one group, plus a into a square plus a minus a. Now you have to learn, you are in class 8, okay? Now see, it is in the form of, suppose it is x and it is y. It is x plus y into x minus y. So x plus y into x minus y, formula x square minus y square. So here we can apply that formula, a square plus 1 whole square minus a square. Clear? Then I am keeping it in third bracket. Then last term as it is. Here, open the bracket by a plus b whole square formula. So a square is a to the power 4 plus 2ab plus 1 minus a square. Clear? And here a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1. Now I am rubbing this portion, this place. Again, here one more step first we will do. A to the power 4 plus 2a square minus a square means plus a square plus 1, and there is a to the power 4. Both are coming plus. To the power 4 plus a square plus 1, and that is also to the power 4 plus a square plus 1. So no term will be cancelled out. Once I am taking the sum, a square plus a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1, that means a square plus a plus 1 whole square minus a square into this. Okay, then simple multiplication we have to do. 4 plus 4, 8. Don't do that. 4 into 4, 16. By index law, power will be added. Then a to the power 6 plus a to the power 4 plus a to the power 6 plus a to the power 4 plus a square. Then plus a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1. A to the power 8 plus 2 a to the power 6 term, 2 a to the power 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 a to the power 4 as 2 a square term plus. This is the product. Clear? Then I will do that one. Number 28. So continued product means first two expressions you will multiply first, then what product is coming, with that we will multiply the last term. Again I will apply the formula. A plus b into a minus b. That means x plus y into x minus y means x square minus y square. Again I can apply formula. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So b square minus y square whole square. After opening the bracket by index law, this and this will be multiplied. So it is the 4 minus y because 4. This is the answer. Clear? Now as you know the formula, so you will apply the formula. Next one you see, that is also I am applying formula. That is 29 a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into a cube plus b cube. Already you know cube formula. Ma'am has taught you. A cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is formula. And a cube minus b cube means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Clear? So here you see it is given in that form. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So there is minus sign means it will be a cube minus b cube form. Clear? See the second format. A cube minus b cube equals to this formula. Clear? Into a cube plus b cube. Again it is in the form of x minus y into x plus y. So this whole square minus b cube whole square. So 3 2s are 6 minus 2. Interesting, no? All the sums are interesting. Yeah. Then I am doing 30, sum number 32. A minus 3b into 4a square plus 6ab plus 9b square into 8a cube plus 27b cube. Here I am rearranging this like this way. Here it suppose it is x and it is y. So we can write here x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So it is in the form of x cube minus y cube. That means it is in that form 2a cube minus 3b whole cube. Here and this portion 8a cube plus 27 plus 27 b cube, not plus. This. Then open the bracket. It is becoming 8a cube minus 27 b cube, and there 8a cube plus 27 b cube. Now it is in that form a plus b into a minus b. So a square, in all the steps I am applying formula. A square minus Now 8 8s are 64, 8 to the power 6 minus 27 into 27. I think 729. Wait, what's that taking? 729 will come 27 into 27. Some number 729, yes. 27 into 27, 729 into the power 6. Here, so how I am applying the formula, you have understood.